Today we are learning to crochet this little heart. For this I am using 4-ply acrylic yarn and 2 mm crochet hook. Let's begin. Make a magic ring. And chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then treble crochet. We will make 3 treble crochet here. Yarn over twice. Pull the 2 loops. Again pull the 2 loops. And at last pull the 2 loops. This is our treble crochet. We'll make 2 more treble crochet here. We completed our 3 treble crochet. Now let's make double crochet. We'll make 3 double crochet. Yarn over 1, then pull 2 loops and pull 2 loops. This is our first double crochet. We'll make 2 more double crochet. Make magic ring a little bit smaller. Now chain 1 and treble crochet. 1 treble crochet, pull 2 loops, pull 2 loops and pull 2 loops. 1 chain and 3 double crochet. Pull 2 loops, pull 2 loops. Now 3 treble crochet. Tie the magic ring. Make 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and slip stitch here. Make 1 slip stitch like this, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Cut the yarn. Tie the magic ring yarn. Make knot here. Cut this extra yarn. Our cute little heart is ready. Within a minute you can make it very easily. I hope you like this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.